how to save and download Instagram messages. So first thing first, launch your Instagram app. After launching to your Instagram app, just come to your profile and here tap on this menu bar. After tapping on the menu bar, just go to account center and here scroll down until you see your informations and permissions. Just tap on it. And here you will be able to see this option called download your information. Just tap on it and here tap on download or transfer information. After that, tap on Instagram and tap on next. After that, you may just tap on some of your information if you want to download only the chats. So after that, tap on it and here wait for it to be loaded. After that, you can see messages option. Just tap on messages and tap on next and here tap the destination where you want to download it and you may just go along with the process. After that, the information will be downloaded on your device. So by following this method, you can download and save Instagram messages into a device. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.